This Geek Robocook 11-in-1 electric pressure cooker from Amazon is your ultimate smart cooking partner. Unlike other pressure cookers, because of its automated cooking, it doesn't need any supervision and no need to count the number of whistles. Now, sit back and relax while your Robocook is doing the cooking. It has 13 preset menu options to choose from, so making rice, biryani, gravies, non-veg food, sambars, pongal, khichdi, oh my god, the list is endless. You can make so many recipes with it. It's not only easy to cook in it, but also remove and wash. Because of this one pot, it saves me the hassle of having multiple vessels. It comes with these silicone pot holders, a measuring cup, and a spatula. It also comes with a removable 6-liter stainless steel pot. Not forgetting the recipe book and an app that has thousands of recipes to choose from. It's quite compact, so can be placed easily anywhere in the kitchen. This cooker is crazy useful for people living alone or in hostels and PGs because this one cooker is an all-rounder.